Okay, we're back at 5424 Castleton, and I'm going to start this drone video by just circling around the home. I want you to see the gate entrances on both sides. It's about 13 feet roughly. The sides are almost equal. So if you were going to build something, you want to do it on this side right here. This is where you want to put your shop because you could block off some of that ambient road noise and also keep it away from your neighbors, which I think is always important. I mean, you could put it on the other side, I guess, but I feel like it's just going to be tighter on that other side. So that's going to take us out here. So we're going to start with the 360 views of the house in the yard. You can see the swale ponds right there, or the swale pits, I should say. And this is just looking at the northeast view, and we're going to circle around here, go over the back farmer's property. Now we're looking more northwest here. You can see that guy's property behind you is all driveway, so you're not going to have anyone looking into your yard. Plus, it's kind of hilled up. And then this looks south west going to southeast, so then you can get a feel for the lot on this side as well. Nice big backyard there. Finally, we're just going to do a real slow pan from the front and just check out the yard. So you can see on that right side, that's really where we'd want to put that shop like we were talking about. And then it slopes up in the backyard, so you do have quite a bit of privacy from the other video that I filmed inside the home. You can see that. And then last but not least, we're going to go for a 360 round the valley tour here. So we're going to start looking southeast. You can see over here we've got a school, actually two schools across the way. We've got a road here. I can't remember the name of the road. I think it's Lewis. It's not, I mean, it's as far south Nampa as you can go. That Lewis runs down there to the north and south 12th Avenue, which is going to be your main drag into town. Now you're looking at town. You can see in the distance there some tops of the buildings. That's like where the Walmart's at and everything. Now we're looking northeast. It's Bogus Basin, way out there, and then Micron is going to be to your direct east, almost straight that way. So that kind of completes the 360 tour. Thank you.